Okay, just quick overview of this one. This is going to be the oak leaf bracer. So I got the leaves with different colored greens, and then I have the bracer body with the two sides. And I'm going to do, there's two different sizes here. That's why there's two different lines. And I'm going to make a smaller version using the red line here with grommets, quarter-inch grommets, since these are quarter-inch holes, and laces. So that's the plan here. Got a nice brown for the body, and like I said, the different colored greens to kind of give it a mottled effect, a little bit more camouflagey, I guess, for this bracer. So let's I'm going to punch out all these holes, and then also cut out these and punch the holes, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, so here it is with the pieces cut out and held in place with these little stitch keepers. I wanted to show you how, so I put them in here so I can make sure that it's laid out correctly. One thing I do want to show you is that on some of the pieces, like this big piece, the holes that go through here need to go through this one and this leaf and the base, right? But there are not any holes yet for this to go all the way through. So what I'm going to do is stitch this down first, then have this in place, and as I get to it, I'm going to have to punch through, and I'll use something like just a single hole punch to punch through, make sure this hole, and then punch through this piece of leather. The back side does have all those holes available. Okay, it's just this piece that's missing some holes there, right? So you'll have to do that for this one, and then same thing for this. There's some holes, some pieces that aren't all the way through on here and here. And so if you notice that if you're trying to sew through and there's not a hole, you're gonna have to punch through that. And it's just easier this way for layout purposes, so that when you're laying things out, it's easier to put together and punch the hole after. Okay, so that's why I did that. Yeah, so I'm going to start on this one, show you how that is, then I'll do this one, then this one, then this one. And each time I'll show you the progress on that. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so here's what I wanted to show you. I went ahead and with triple aught hole punch, I went ahead and I repunched these holes through here, through this side, and you can see, I'll show you here, those weren't there before, right? So like I showed previously, so I punched through those, and those connected up with the holes in the back that I already punched. So that's what I meant by punch the holes through this piece right here when necessary. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this leaf, and then I'm going to place this one, and I think there's a couple of holes I need to punch through here and possibly here, just to connect these up. But yeah, so it's coming along nice. I like this. I like the green thread, the green leather. It's looking good. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this and other two pieces and show you how it looks before I put on these side pieces with the grommets for lacing. All right, see you in a minute. Okay, so here it is. I got all the leaves stitched on, and it's looking pretty nice. Okay, so now all I just got to do is, like I said, just got to cut out the side pieces, stitch them on. Okay, be back in a second. Okay, here it is completed with the side pieces stitched and the grommets in place. Yeah, grommets, not eyelets, just to give it a little bit more strength. But if you want to do eyelets, yeah, that's fine. But yeah, it came out nice. There's a lot of stitching holes, so yeah, just be patient with those. It does take a little bit while just to stitch everything. But I think it came out, this is the left hand. So it goes on the left, yeah, the left forearm. The right side is just a mirror image of this, literally. So Can't wait to see what you guys do with this. Make your own. Any variations, I think it'd be awesome. I can think of a few right now that might make it a little bit more interesting. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Find me on Facebook or Etsy or Instagram. Leave me a note if you have any questions or suggestions on how to make it better. Cool. All right. Good luck, everybody.